Hi everybody, my name is Kay and I am doing dinner prep tonight. I'm going to be making a kind of new, well, I'm trying something new. We're doing a little bit low carb or lower carb tonight. And so I'm going to be making turkey taco mini meatloafs. I'm going to be adding some peppers and onion to my little mini meatloafs. I'm going to be using the Costco size large muffin pan, Pampered Chef, for that. But my husband doesn't want to see the onions and peppers. So I'm going to, like normally I just cut them. Like, ooh, I'm crooked now. Normally I just cut them. But I'm going to put them in my manual food processor here so that they will be smaller. And I'm not big on like trying to slice and dice little bitty things. Just, it's dinner, weeknight dinner. I'm not working that hard at it. So quick, take the ribs out, everything. And I don't think we're gonna need, we'll see. Yeah, let's add a little bit more peppers. So like I said, I'm making this up. There's not a recipe. So here's the manual food processor. And this is one of my best-selling items when I am at the camp RV fair, RV show. Nice thing about this one is it's left or right-handed, so when one arm gets tired, the other arm can take over. All right, I think that's pretty good. He'll live. All right, let's grab our batter bowl because I'm going, ooh, new cabinets. I gotta really stretch. All right, so I've got some lean ground turkey here, and I've also got some Southwest seasoning mixed with taco seasoning. So I got all that ready earlier, and we like lots of seasoning. So let's do that. There we go. That'll make a nice, that's plenty. And then I even have some left over. So I added just a little bit of cayenne in there too. So we've got, need to be taller. Okay, so there's that. And I'm just gonna add like 3 tablespoons. We like it really taco-y. There, dump it all in. That'll be good. Well seasoned. And I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna add some salsa, about 1/4 cup, so that it'll make the little mini meatloaves. Let's get all that seasoning in there. And I just used my hand. I know, I could use all the fancy tools and things, but my 5-finger spoons mixers work just fine. So I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of salsa. And then I'm going to get some oil into the muffin cups, and then I'm going to divide it out in the muffin cups, make my little mini meatloaves. So let me wash my hands, take this over here. While I am washing, let's talk about the new season. What are your favorite new items that you have seen? So one of my favorite new items is the milk frother, and those of you who are on my VIP group or cooking camp group have seen me use that. The other thing that I'm pretty excited about are these new kitchen brushes. So this bottle brush fits inside bottles really well and cleans up things well. And then this brush really cleans things nicely for the on our stones and our cast iron. That's really nice. It really helps you get in there well. So, all right. I got to grab that salsa out of the pantry so I can put it into my my taco mix there. Tighten that back up. There we go. All right. So, salsa. Oh, it's over here in the refrigerator. Oh, of course. There we go. So, we're just gonna do some salsa, and this is paste chunky salsa. And then we're also gonna want to add cheese to it, but I'm gonna add cheese to the top. So, like I said earlier, I put some of the Southwest seasoning, some of the everything taco seasoning, peppers and onions, and now we're gonna go over here. Woo! Sorry about that. Go over here into our muffin cups, and let's see, how's this gonna work? All right. So, one. They're not gonna fill up the whole muffin cups because that would be Mondo meatloafs. These are just gonna be little mini meatloafs in the muffin cups. And like I said at the beginning, this is an experiment. We'll see how this goes. That was a little too much. There we go. Divide that last one. Let's see. So 6 little mini meatloaves. And they're turkey taco meatloaves. Do they all look pretty much the same? I think they do. All right, so there's that. I'm going to wash my hands again. And then I've got some low-fat cheese that I'm going to add to the tops of each of these so that they will be delicious. What sorts of low-carb menus or meals do you make at your house? Because we are trying to do fewer carbs in the evening. We still do carbs during the day. Oh, good. My oven is preheated. Still do carbs during the day, but trying to cut down on carbs. All right, have you guys seen our little clips? So this is a little slicer here. And I get tired of trying to tear open the cheese all the time. So I'm gonna take and put the clip just like that. Run that along, and it's open. These, $10. You get 2 of them. They're my favorite. And then if you get the, oh, I didn't cut the bag open well enough. If you get the right, like a chip bag, and you open a chip bag, there we go. Then these can clip the bag closed too. All right, so a little bit of cheese on each one. So tell me in the comments what your low carb go-to meals are, and I would love to hear about your recipes for those. This is just a little bit of Mexican blend cheese. It's a reduced fat because I still try to watch my fat grams some. And then, all right, I think that's it. So we are preheated, and I'm gonna put these in the oven. Probably for about 20 minutes, and then I'll temp them with my food thermometer, instant read food thermometer, and we'll see how that goes. Hope you guys have a great evening. If you have any questions for me about Pampered Chef stuff, please let me know, and feel free to ask, because if you have a question, then everybody else does too. Anyway, that's all I have for tonight. You guys have a good one, and I will talk to you soon.